Hi everyone, welcome to my video. Today we're going to try to make a landing page with GroovePages and get an email address from somebody and then forward that page off to somewhere else. So let's try this out. So we're going to go to GroovePages. We're going to create a new site and we could choose a template, but maybe we'll just try from scratch. Let's try from scratch. We'll use a blank page. Okay, we got our blank page. We're going to get some blocks. Let's see, what do we got here? Checkout form, countdown, covers. Let's put in, how about like an image? How about blocks? All blocks? No. Empty blocks. Let's do a double left and right side. Let's grab an element. Let's grab an image. Put that on the right side there. Okay, what do we want for an image? Let's grab something from the library here. So we choose image, free stock photos, and let's say we want a bridge. Alright, nice bridge files. So let's take this one here. Just a small bridge. Alright, we'll select that. And we will update it. Alright, there's our image. And let's also get some words here. We want some heading. Let's say an H2 heading. Put that over here. Alright, what should we say? Let's say, oops, we want that to go in the box. Now where'd that go? Now under the box. Let's undo that. Just undo here. Okay, where's our heading? Okay, it's in the box. Welcome everyone. Here is your chance to be part of one of the greatest opportunities ever. And we want to make that a little bit bigger. Text. Transparency, text. Here we go. No. I want this text to go bigger. It's not letting me. Okay. Let's center it maybe? Text, here we go. Center. No? Okay. Let's leave that for now. We'll come back to that. And then we want to add another element. We want to add our mail item. So I have MailChimp set up. We'll add that. I want to add that here. Okay, sort of want it to go there. How can I move this over? Should be a move item here. Let's put that there. No. Let's undo that. Undo. Okay. So we want this whole box. That's what we want. Not just the one part of it. Keeps grabbing that. Close that. Oh, so that's there. There we go. No. Here we go. Up one. Okay, so it is part of that box. Okay, let's leave it like that for now. We can figure it out after. So here we want to do, you want to pick the whole box for the email and go to configure. Our integration, I have one called E on the side. I only have one list in MailChimp called E on the side, and we want to redirect to, say, a page where maybe they can buy something after you get your free item. And we're going to link it to, not a page, we want to link it to our URL. Where should we go? We can go to, say, let's go to toronto.com and update that. And we want to change the button name. So if we click on the button name, button text, click here for your free ebook. Action, submit, update. Can I change email there? 4 equals, I don't think so. That's fine. I can actually delete it. That's okay, we'll leave that. Okay, this text here, I don't like that. Text. This text is sort of stuck. Oh, there we go. Okay, text. Center, no. Weighted. Bold, no. So this isn't working here. So let's add another element. Let's add another heading 2 over here. Heading. We don't want that there. We want it. Heading 1. We want this over here. Right there. No. I want over here. There we go. No. I want over here. Now it's outside again. Okay. We'll have to get used to this. Heading. Okay. Don't want it there. I want it next to the picture. Right there. And now it's on top. I want it below. Now let's here again. Alright, some things aren't perfect yet, but okay, let's do this one. Let's say, can I center this one? Yes, okay. Welcome everyone. Let's put a nice heading there. We can get rid of this one here. Enter your email below to get a free copy of the greatest ebook of all time. And we want to see if we can make this bigger. That's what we want. There we go. Now it's working. So now we can take some spaces here. We can highlight that, go back to text. We can change the spacing, make it tight. Oh, here we go. Now it's showing up here. So this is the text we want to change. Now we can change it here. Here we go. Say 22. Say 40. There we go. And we want to center it too. There we go. This here, our image. Maybe we want to lower it a little bit. Spacing. Here we go. So from the top, bring it down a bit. There we go. Email. We'll save this page. Now we want to say publish it. We'll choose a name, say email test. We're going to host our site with you. We'll say publish. Alright, so now I have a page, smooth.groovepages.com email test. I picked the name smooth.groovepages.com, and I believe all my pages, if I host with GroovePages, will start with that. So we click on this here. We have our page, and we say we want to enter email address. Say I pick my email, hit subscribe, and we get forward off to toronto.com. Now, if we wanted to say, let's try that again, enter a new email address. Say Jimmy's down at gmail.com, and we'll hit subscribe, and we get forward here. Now let's go to MailChimp. And I believe we're logged in. Marketing platform. see if I can figure. I haven't used this very much, so let's see if I can figure it out. Now I have 2 contacts. Alright, so I have my email address, len.licio@gmail.com, and jimmysdown@gmail.com. Source API. So my email address was already here since it's my account. But now my new email that we entered into the page has now been entered. Let's try again another one. Open up the page again. Say Kramer. Let's pick an email that someone doesn't have. At gmail.com. Subscribe. Off to our page, where this could be a page where your offer, where you can have a course or a program or anything. And now if we come here, refresh, and now we have our new email address in here. So the page isn't very pretty. It was just put together really quick. But for a landing page, if that's all you need is a picture, some words, subscribe, that's all you need. And right now you can sign up for GroovePages for free. It's a limited time offer to get the free plan. It's the base plan is free. You get GrooveSell, GrooveAffiliate, and GroovePages Lite, so you can make a page like I made there, or you could even sell something right on your page. And they have the GrooveSell application, which will take care of your payments. Soon, GroovePages will have to pay monthly, so you're going to have the $99 plan for a bunch of their applications. So GrooveSell, affiliate pages, mail, member, video, and then they'll have the gold plan, which also includes GrooveBlog, Desk, Calendar, Survey, and Quiz. But if you were to sign up today, you can get everything for 3 payments of $4.97 or 1 payment of $13.97, and then you never have to pay again. 1 payment and that's it. Or the 3 payment. One time, basically, pick one of these payment styles, these payment plans, and then you never have to pay again. Or if you want to compare it to ClickFunnels, they're what, from $99 to $300 a month? Even GroovePages here is going to be between $99 and $200 a month. But even for $99 a month, if you wait, you get GroovePages Pro and GrooveMail and GrooveMember and GrooveVideo. You're going to get a lot for $99 a month. But it'd be better if you just pay once and never again. And that's all it took. It only took, how long did it take? Not too long, 10, 15 minutes to create a page. To get the colors, get the picture you want, and the design, that's a different story. But to actually use the software, it's like super simple. Well, thanks for watching. Hopefully I have a new video soon for doing something else with GroovePages to tell you more about it. And click the links in the description below where I got the link for the free plan or the lifetime plan. If you want to just try it out with the free plan, check it out. Thanks for watching, everyone.